What happens when overseas dental treatment goes wrong? Well, we know that dental treatment all has various complexities, and if we're going for fillings or maybe even porcelain veneers overseas, I suppose the situation is that when things go wrong, it's not so dramatic. However, when we're doing implant treatment, whether it's one implant or multiple implants, if we get complications, we can end up with a lot of problems. In this case, our patient actually was overseas when she rang us. She had gone to Thailand on a recommendation for a friend to actually have full replacement with dental implants. Unfortunately, the treatment didn't go well. She spent over 3 hours having her lower teeth removed. She was held down during the procedure. She was fully awake having her teeth removed. And when they placed the implants, they told her that her bone was too thin and not suitable for the implants. So she would have to wait for 9 months and wear a denture before actually going back to Thailand to have her final set of teeth. Due to her traumatic experience, she rang us up from Thailand and actually asked us what options she had moving forward. I'd really like to say that there's no judgment when we actually see these patients. Of course, she was recommended, so she had a friend that went over to have treatment, and it was a high recommendation to actually travel overseas, but unfortunately her friend didn't have the complex treatment that she needed. When we saw her, there were two options that we could do. Could we use the implants that she had placed, or is it a better option to start from scratch? There were two problems. The implants weren't placed in the correct position, and secondly, the brand of implants were not used in Australia and we could not get components. So we started with a clean slate. We ended up putting her to sleep. We removed her implants and we placed new implants in the correct position, and we gave her a new set of teeth in a few days. I'd like to draw attention to the fact that when traveling overseas, please remember that if you're getting complex treatment done like dental implants or full replacement on dental implants, that there is not only the treatment that needs to be done well, because that determines the longevity. The implants are placed in the wrong position, the longevity of the treatment is poor, but also the maintenance and the follow-up visits that must be looked at in order to ensure that the treatment has been done correctly. Patients cannot fly back and forth for maintenance. And if the implant components are not available in Australia, this poses an additional problem. If you have any questions, please visit us at 1800smiling.com.au. I look forward to seeing you in the practice.